How to delete a team's channel. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the simple and easy steps of deleting a team's channel. So if you wish to delete your Microsoft Teams channel, then the steps to do so are quite very easy. So the first thing that we're going to do is go to the communities tab over this left hand bar. Now from here you will need to find that particular channel that you would like to delete. So as here you can see, I have this communities as available here. So I have two communities with each channel. So I have this wisdom channel or this random channel in the wisdom community. And then I have this another channel that goes by the name Tank Discussions in the YouTube community. Now let's say I wish to delete this random channel one. So in order to delete this channel, simply select the name of the channel and then click onto these three dots or the more options. Once you will do so, you will get this option to delete the channel. Simply click onto this delete channel and it will ask you for a confirmation. If are you sure you want to delete random channel 1, this will permanently delete all photos, files and other content inside the channel. If you wish to proceed, click onto this delete button and here you can see that the channel has been successfully deleted. So that was all. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.